Looking for the perfect laser level to get flawless accuracy in your next project? In this video, we've rounded up the best laser levels to help you make the right choice. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, we upload daily videos to guide you towards smarter product picks. Stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Number 1. Black Decker BDL190S Line Laser with Stud Finder. For those who don't need all the features available on top-of-the-line models, the Black Plus Decker BDL190 is a nice option at an affordable price. This isn't the ideal laser level for a major project or renovation, but it will get the job done when striking level lines to hang pictures or shelves. This budget-friendly laser level offers some features we really liked, including a stud finder and electrical wire detection. It also comes with a hanger that attaches to the wall with a tack-like pin. Once hung, the laser will self-level. During our tests, the BDL190 served its purpose. It projected a perfectly self-leveled line to the left and right and steadied quickly. There was a section of the wall where the beam appeared to lighten, making it more challenging to see, but this is because there was a bow in the wall, and this effect is typical of wall-mounted laser levels. Number 2. Bosch GLL3 330CG 360 degrees green beam 3-plane laser. Shoppers who are looking for a level that can do it all and don't mind spending quite a bit more on one of the best brands may want to consider the Bosch GLL3 330CG. This self-leveling model has a 360-degree horizontal plane laser and two 360-degree vertical plane lasers, providing a level line of reference for any job. The green laser has a working range of up to a 200-foot diameter, though this can be extended to 330 feet with the separate purchase of an LR8 receiver. Some of the GLL3 330CG's premium features are so subtle that they can actually go unnoticed. For example, this laser level monitors its battery life and adjusts the beam for optimal visibility. The Bosch laser level proved to be a serious piece of machinery during testing. It is highly accurate, with a maximum deviation of just 3/32 of an inch at 30 feet. The three 360-degree planes were easy for us to see and use. Number 3. Skill LL93201 360-degree self-leveling red cross-line laser. Every DIYer has different needs, and a high-end, expensive, heavy-duty laser level isn't always a priority. For those who'd prefer something a bit more modest and affordable, this 360-degree self-leveling cross-line laser level from Skill is worth a look. It has all the features necessary, including horizontal and vertical lasers, as well as 360-degree coverage, but with a little less fit and finish look. The result is a capable yet minimalist laser level at a lower price, and it even comes with a tripod for setting it at any height. The Skill surprised us in our hands-on testing. We found it to be a highly capable, light-duty model. For its price and intended use, it's well-built and durable, while being very simple to set up and use. It also steadied very quickly. While the tripod wasn't of the highest quality, it was one of the only setups in the test that allowed for positioning the laser at an angle. Number 4. Klein Tools 93 LCLS Red Crossline Laser Level. For a professional-grade laser, the Klein Tools 93 LCLS ticks most of the boxes and has some features that the other models don't. It has both vertical and horizontal beams, but it also features a plumb spot finder that projects a vertical beam, which we felt could be a real asset when installing conduit, piping, or drop ceilings. It also boasts several mounting options, including a magnetic mount with a 360-degree swivel and a specialized mount for drop ceiling tracks. Unfortunately, the 93 LCLS doesn't provide a constant 360-degree plane, but the ability to swivel it on the mount while maintaining level helps to offset that shortcoming. Testing the 93 LCLS laser level revealed the Klein to be a powerful, sturdy, and reliable laser level. We found it very easy to see, and the plumb spot was faster to use than an actual plumb bob or level. the setup was also very simple. The one con with this particular level is that considering its price, it should offer a 360-degree beam. Number 5. Bosch GLL30 Self-Leveling Cross-Line Laser Level. Having a cross-line laser level available within arm's length at any time might seem like a luxury, but with the compact and affordable GLL30 from Bosch, it can become a reality. This small laser level features vertical and horizontal red laser beams that are accurate to within 5/16 of an inch at a 30-foot distance. With its tiny footprint, it'll easily fit in a tool bag or a toolbox, ensuring it's always easy to grab. Realistically, the Bosch cross-line laser level simply isn't big enough to contain high-end internal hardware components, so it trades a bit of accuracy for its compact profile. However, we found no issues with its accuracy during testing, and it was very easy to set up. We liked that it came with a multi-positional mount with a clamp for attaching to a variety of objects. Also, the laser has the ability to be positioned at any angle, something almost none of the other levels could do.